All right, I'm gonna show you how you clean your Senior Elite sewing machine. So in your little bag of accessories, you're gonna have this little, it's seam ripper on one end, and then it's a little brush. So pull that out, and then you wanna pull out this little key. So, I'll bring this a little bit closer so that you can see. Oops, sorry. So you're gonna screw, there's a screw here and a screw here, and you're gonna go ahead and loosen those. So I loosen them with the little key, and then I use my fingers. So you pull out the screws. Yeah, open this up, bring this out, and then you're gonna bring out this bobbin here. See that, pull the bobbin out. It's just sewing with wool, so it's gonna be really dusty. I have a lot of lint in there. And then you have this, the black bobbin holder right here. You can see that. So I'm gonna bring that right, I'm sorry. Pull that right out. If you can see there, all the lint in there. And I'm gonna just take the brush, pull it out. You can also get an air blower, but if you get the little air blower, you wanna have a little vacuum to suction all the lint. Otherwise the lint will go in the back of the machine and you'll have to pay someone to do a cleaning for you, and it could ruin the machine. So it's best to just clean often. I probably waited too long here. There's a lot of lint. So as you can see, or in class, we clean these out all the time. So really after every project, it would be helpful to go in here and pull out all the lint best you can. Just like this. Right there, if you see right there, there's a little something in the middle there. That's like a little sponge with oil, so that's supposed to be there. And the machine oils itself, so you don't have to worry about doing anything there. And sorry. You hear Anya in the background. Anya, move. I'm doing a little video. Hold on. Okay. So before I let me just move this out of the way. Before I put the bobbin holder back in, I push the up. Anya, come on, move. Before I put the bobbin holder back in, I do this. I put the needle down and put it back up because it puts the machine in the position that it needs to be in. And this bobbin holder, you'll see a little yellow mark here. You're gonna put that right in there. So the yellow mark is in the front, and this little ridge here is hitting this right here. It won't fit or work if it's done wrong, but the key is I always put the needle down and put it back up, and the machine is in the position that it needs to be. And so once that's in, I put this plate back on, and I can put my bobbin back on. This bobbin is now empty, but I'll just put it in here to show you. So the bobbin's in, that's in, and then you just screw it back on. And put the screw back. I don't screw them too tight, just tight enough to stay. And there you go.